Come to take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Roll that ponytail upwards. It looks so easy and beautiful. You are done. Take your hair, divide it into two parts. Take one part, insert the plaited parts through that loose hair. Tie those two loose hair together. Then take the middle part and again tie it in the form of plaits. See how clean it looks, and it looks very beautiful from behind. Roll it upwards and then you are done. Take one part of your hair, divide it into two, make it in the form of side half ponytail. Take the remaining part, do the plaitings of that remaining part, roll the plaited part upwards and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Make your hair in the form of a ponytail and secure it tightly with a 5-legged backpin. Then roll the backpin upwards along with the hair and secure it properly with your favorite clipper. See, you're done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a clipper and remove the clipper upwards just like this, giving it a rolly look. See, your hair looks circular from behind. It is the hat. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Roll the ponytail upwards just like this and then you are done. Take the remaining part, do it in the form of a plait, remove the plait upwards and then roll it downward. You are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take the other half of the ponytail, tie it in the form of rubber band. It should be two consecutive parts. Then roll the upper parts upwards and tie it with another rubber band just like this. Then remove it through the gap and tie it with a favorite clutcher. You are done. Take your hair, divide it into two and tie plaits from the upper part of the hair, leaving the lower part just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail, then roll that ponytail upwards and tie it properly with a rubber band. Give it a consistent look. Take a false circular hair and put it above your circular part of the real hair. You're done. Your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take the two parts of your hair and divide it into four parts. Then tie a plait neat and clean just like this. Roll the plaits upwards to the upper part of the hair and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Decorate it with your favorite blue colored back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, divide that ponytail into three parts, make a plait out of those three parts, roll the plaits upwards and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. You're done. Take your hair, divide it in the form of a ponytail, tie it into half, then secure it with a rubber band. Give it a fluffy look by pulling a few strands of the hair from the lower part. The lower part should be plaited and rolled upwards and attached properly with the upper part, giving it a circular look. Thank you for watching.